Hey guys, what's up? So for today's video, I'm actually doing a room tour. So I actually redid my room for 2019. So let's get into it. See you guys then. Hey guys, what's up? So, like I said, today is my room tour, and you guys may have noticed right here, right at this very moment, my room is already different. I did switch the chair to face the window. So I am in front of my window right now, which means where would the TV be? Right in front of me. So I will get to that portion in a little bit because I'm going to do a whole TV little. I don't know if I'm going to go through everything, but I'll say like basically everything's basically the same. We're just going to do like an overview type thing. But also, this is my remote to my lamp, so if I hit this button, it turns off, turns on, turns off, and turns on. So, that's what it looks like. One side is off, which is that side, and this side's on, and it has a little red button on it. I can actually see that button too on the screen. So basically everything is the same. You can see my salt lamp is right here. My little table is right here. But basically everything is how you would think. Basically it's the same as it was, but backwards, if that makes any sense. So let's get on with it. So if you come over here to this portion, I'm actually going to be putting that right here in my hamper. So my hamper is actually right there with a wooden thing because it's right in front of the door, so basically I don't want people looking. But my regular light will turn that on, turn that off. You might, no, but there's a thing right here that I actually put that thing on. Right here is all of my cards that Mo has gave me. Here's my desk, my laminator, my pencil, or these are my colored pencils, markers, whiteboard, which you guys have noticed my whiteboard's filled with stuff, and my pencils, pens, highlighters, pencil, pen, and highlighter, and then this one has my staples, and then my stapler. So the stapler actually goes in here. I was using it earlier. There we go. So anyways, my fan is actually here. Nice fan. So you guys remember when I first got this fan, basically my room was like this. Basically. My TV was actually over here. But we're going to go to the next portion, which is the best thing in the entire universe, the bed. So basically, my bed, you guys have seen my bed multiple times. Actually, I haven't made it yet today because we had a 2-hour delay, which I could have had an excuse to make it. So we're going to do that in time lapse, and I'll show you guys when my bed is done. Okay guys, so here is what my bed looks like generally made. Basically the same. If you guys remember, I have a little bit of camo and gray involved. So basically, this is what it looks like. It just fell through. So I have to move my bed. But this is what it looks like. I have a little bit of gray, some camo, because, and I'll link that description down below. I think I explained a little bit of depth into that video. So in case you want to see that particular video. And my next video, or portion of the video, is my dresser, which belongs in the corner right here. I've got my TV off. So I'm just going to move Reese. This is a picture of my dog Reese, who passed away. But let me move this because it's going to drive me crazy. Okay. So you're not going to see me in this portion of the video, but right here I have my key, my house key. I have my favorite necklace, which is the white, black, and blue. I have the solid white one. And the blue one that Erin got me when she went to Dewey Beach 2 years ago. I think it was 3 actually, I don't know exactly, I don't remember. I have my sunglasses and my watch on this one. Erin put these up here, which I'm not worried about. It actually looks good. Not saying she did a terrible job, but she came over yesterday and we reorganized my room with whatever. So she put the pine trees up here and all my stuff up here. So these are the stuff I use pretty much on a daily basis, and apparently I use Erin on a daily basis. That's just where I put it. That's actually I put there. I designed my house and stuff, so it's up here. But there's my full-on dresser. And the clothes, I don't need to get into that. Here's my TV. Pretty much everything that you've seen before. Stereo, everything. But basically, I did get new handles because the last ones I had, they broke. They're the same antler. They're different antler ones. They were cheaper. Because I'm not buying, they were $50, and I'm not buying 15. These were 12. Like, I'm not buying them. So my movies, / games, and my art stuff is on that one. In here I have my electronics. In here I have my charger, my iPad charger, iPod charger, and other variation of cords that I use a lot, and my Xbox controller. Xbox. And by the way, you guys do see I do not have the Xbox 360 anymore. I actually sold it to Erin, so she has it. We're going to set it up eventually, but right now, I have the Xbox One. Over here is my... I don't feel the set. Over here is my... I think it's called my other dresser. So these two, this one and this one, are junk drawers. Swimsuit, tank tops, certain other socks that I don't really wear, and then my longer socks. Like, my long socks are here too. These are shirts, tank tops, basically everything. All that. My chair, and then I'm going to go over here to... I'm not really getting into the same thing, except for I have my holiday movies in here, and camera and other crap, and my shoes that I don't really, or that I wear like every day. And then everything on here, my trophy from the chili cook-off, my marbles, my plant is on the top right here, snow globe picture of me, headphone thing, my bear and groundhog with Christmas thing, and then if you go on top, it is my another succulent, a dog, and my salt lamp. So, alright guys, I'm going to end the video here because thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you like, subscribe, turn on that notification bell if you already, and we'll see you guys later on the next adventure of Gamer Chase. Bye!